Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Caroline Unfiltered. Looking for the perfect braided hairstyle to keep your hair stylish, protected, and easy to manage? In this video, I'm showing you the latest and most gorgeous box braids and knotless braids that will have everyone asking, who did your hair? These styles are perfect for protective styling, low-maintenance beauty, stylish everyday looks, vacations, weddings, school, or any outing. Whether you're rocking it long, short, curly, or colored, these styles are made to slay. You'll find something that suits your face, hair type, and personal style. Watch till the end to pick your favorite look. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you are a lover of fashion and want to stay updated on the latest fashion trends, style inspo, and beautiful hairstyles collection, subscribe to my channel. Like this video and comment telling me your favorite style. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on our notification bell for more fashion tips.